Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full-time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Welcome to Moab, Utah, a best-in-nation destination for outdoor recreation. Here in Moab, you see these UTVs quite often. To get out and see more, we opted for the Sunset Tour. So tell your granny to hang on to her dentures because it's time for a wild ride with Outlaw Jeep Adventures. If you're new to off-road adventures, this is a nice taste, and if you're looking for a bumpy ride, well, you're in the right place. Our guide brought us waters and we stopped for a drink. I flew the drone while the sun began to sink. The last light on the La Salle Mountains capped in snow. Time to put this all back and go.